Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Braids by KemLis. And in today's video, we'll be talking about what Microlock started with extension can look like after a year. On the right-hand side, this was when we started our locks about a year ago, I think 30 months ago. And this is what we have right now. So if you ever wondered how your locks is going to mature over time, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. As usual, it's good to start with the right tool for your retightening. Knowing the right size is important. So that is the first thing I showed you here. Make sure you're not going with a tip that is very big. It's going to make pulling through your client's lock quite difficult, okay? If you start and you feel some tension while pulling through, that's your cue to change the pin you're using. So this client started our Microlocs journey a year ago, but instead of beginning with just our natural hair, we added human hair extension for length and fullness. As you already know, extensions are great if you want an immediate look or if you need to match the rest of your hair and still look presentable and, especially for people who go to the office, they don't want to start their locks pretty short. That's the reason why you can use extension. We use a kinky bulk human hair and we chose this color to start just to give it some uplift. And it was installed using the tight interlocking method to prevent slippage. Okay. Now, fast forward to today. Look at the growth. Our hair has really grown from what I showed you. Here is it again on the left-hand side. This is a lot of growth. Looking at the black part of our hair, that is growth. Now, the locks have thickened slightly, which is expected, and they are starting to take on their matured cylindrical shape, which is what we love to see. The transition point where the extension meets the natural hair is still strong, and that shows that it was well done. It was well done, okay? If you're thinking about starting Microlocks with extension or you already have, here are a few things I would like to recommend. Number one, stick to your retire schedule. For this client, we do our retires every 6 to 8 weeks. Okay? Make sure you are hydrating your scalp. Water-based products or maybe just rosemary water. Or you can check my video where I showed you what concentration I use for my client's hair. And make sure you avoid tight styling, especially in the early stages. Tension at the root can cause thinning. Okay? Finally, sleep with a satin scarf or bonnet to prevent lint and frizz. You can see how clean our locks are and how beautiful they are. Now, I know one of the biggest questions people ask is, will people know I use extension? And the honest answer is no, if it is done right. As you can see here, these locks look natural, healthy, and fully blended. They are not unraveling or having slippage like you would expect. That's because we lock them in securely from the day one. I used high premium human hair and make sure it matches our hair texture. Okay. I just need to tell you at this point that locks journey are like faith journey. You don't always see the full picture at the beginning, but if you stay consistent and trust the process, give it time, the result will speak for themselves. It reminds me of Philippians 1:6 that says, "He who began a good work in you would carry it to completion." So whether you're just starting or you're already in the process, just be patient. You will love the outcome. Thank you for watching today's video. And this is 1 year view of what our locks now look like. If you're in Winnipeg area, you can reach out to me on Instagram. I'll be very happy to work on your locks. And if not, just drop a comment, ask me questions. I'm more than happy to give answers. Remember, no gatekeeping on this channel. Do me a favor, subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification bell. That would make my day. And again, my name is KemLis. Thank you for watching my video. And if you need real life lock care, real life client situations, client transformations, and tips from behind the chair, you know who is your plug, right? Thank you. Now it's time for me to just farms my client's lock. I am tripping, believe me. Once again, like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.